Your habits are driven by desire, not logic. You don't repeat habits because you should. You repeat them because they feel good. In Chapter 6 of Atomic Habits, James Clear explains a powerful truth. To build better habits, you must make them attractive. Your brain is wired to chase pleasure and avoid discomfort. When a habit feels rewarding and advanced, you naturally want to do it. This craving is what fuels action. Think about how people check social media. It's not the phone they want. It's the feeling, connection, excitement, novelty. The habit continues because the reward feels appealing. Now imagine linking good habits to enjoyable feelings. Suddenly, effort feels easier. One powerful way to make habits attractive is through temptation bundling. This means pairing something you need to do with something you enjoy doing. Exercise while listening to your favorite music. Study while sipping your favorite drink. Clean while watching a favorite show. Pleasure pulls you into progress. To apply this today, choose one habit you struggle with. Now ask, what enjoyable activity can I attach to it? Start small. When habits feel good, they stop feeling like work. You don't need stronger willpower. You need smarter design. Make good habits attractive and consistency will follow. This has been Chapter 6 of Atomic Habits. Watch our previous videos for impactful summaries of the previous chapters and come back daily for new chapters. Let us know in the comments if you will be applying these lessons. Subscribe to Books Vineyard, where we turn small changes into lasting growth.